Hey everyone, Kahutec here. Today's battle is round 4, believe it or not, because my friend didn't bring Pisces. So here's Dark Wolf, or so's Facebook, normal pieces.
And this is Dark Bull. Horns have been knocked off after a battle at my house. So here we go.
Ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's a redo.
There we have it.
That's a redo.
No redos.
Oh.
Yeah, you stopped him. Dark Wolf advances to the next round. Put him in the winner pile. And Dark Wolf lays down the shame and defeat.
You would have won.
There we go.
Don't you dare show my face.
Zodiac signs on your hand, bro.
Oh yeah! I was
Yep.
a Scorpio. I'm now a Libra.
Yeah.
Screw.
Or Orificus? Screw it. I'm a Pisces and my name is Kahutec. Goodbye, YouTube.